Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So it is week 3, we're calling it week 3 in the house because I went to Dubai for a week. So I've been in the house a couple of weeks and this is my 3rd week and we're going to try and get shit done today. So I am about to build a dressing table. So I've been living in a bit of a mess. So the first 2 weeks was a hell of a mess and I'm still in a mess right now. So I'm going to start building a dressing table because there's not a lot of storage here and I need to start putting some stuff away. So I'm going to just show you what I'm going to be moving. So I'm currently using this Kallax unit as a dressing table. So I'm going to move this out of the way because I'm going to put this in the other room along with the mirror. So I need to clear this off. And because there's not a lot of room, I'm going to move the rug and everything and move these other little bits and pieces here. And we're going to make some room in order to build my dressing table. Now I have measured the dressing table. I'll put a little picture on the screen of what it's going to look like. So I'm going to be putting it in this space here. It fits perfectly. And then at least then I can push my chair underneath. And it's got quite a few drawers on the left hand side and it's got a drawer underneath as well. If you're interested in where I got it from, I'll leave a link below, but it is from eBay. But I really quite like the aesthetic of the black and the ridges and stuff because I thought that looked really quite elegant. So yeah, that is the plan. So without further ado, we are going to sort of clear this space and then yeah, get on. Now I can't bring the whole dressing table up because it's about 30 kilos and there's no handles on the box, so it's really difficult to like grab hold of. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to unpack some of it downstairs and bring bits up at a time. So let's get on. Right, so this is the space that we're left with. So you can see here it fits the dressing table in. So I'm gonna go down now and start unpacking the unit downstairs because like I said it's too heavy to carry upstairs. So we're gonna just bring a couple of pieces up at a time. So I'll start that now. Finished now. Yeah, everything is in place. So just a little look, I'm just going to give it a little wipe down. This is like the top drawer which I'm going to put most of my makeup, and then you've got 4 separate drawers here. I just love the sort of gold finish handles. I think it'll just work really well with my mirror on the top there. It's going to look sound. So I'm going to go and have some dinner because I'm absolutely starving. It's literally like 6:30. It did take me a little while to do because some of the instructions weren't quite straightforward, but I sorted it out. It's not an issue. Yeah, I'm going to give it a wipe down quickly now, go and have some dinner, and then I'm going to dress this dressing table.